Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. And this wonderful moment, I would like to say thank you to Governor of Riau Province, Mr. S.F. Haryanto, and especially for Miss Director of Arifin Ahmad General Hospital, Mrs. Yusuf Prasiningsih. I could not achieve this achievement without your guidance, your support, and of course your kindness. And thank you so much for support all staff of Arifin Ahmad General Hospital. Let's do our best to our hospital, and of course, let's do our best to our province, lovely Riau.
Jauh pandangan di Pulau Bantul.
Happy anniversary of Riau Province.